Welcome to Ask Chef Gilles, part 6. So today we'll keep talking about sharpening knives. So to sharpen a knife, you need a sharpening stone. Sharpening stone has two sides. A very smooth side, here's 1000, and a more harsh side, 240. So we start with the more harsh side, the more rough side. So this kind of stone is a wet stone. So you should always have a little bit of water running on it when you do the sharpening. It should never be dry. And how we sharpen a knife, we take the knife, we put it flat, and then we turn, we make a rotating move like that. So the angle at the back should be about 20. So you keep doing that, one side first, you keep do this for 1 minute on one side, and then you turn to the other side and do the same thing. And then at one moment you will feel a very smooth, very edge, so a little bit curved. So that's when the knife is ready. So then you turn your knife over to the smooth side, and then you do it again, one side, 1 minute on each side, and then your knife is ready to go on the steel. And for five times on the steel, and then you should have a very nice, perfectly sharp knife. This is what we are looking for.